The only way to stop thinking and shake off fear. Prajnaparamita. The root of fear is thought. Thought consists of mental imagery, imagination, memory, and planning. If you intentionally try to stop thinking, one thought inevitably leads to another. The nature of the human inner workings is such that the more you try to force something through sheer will, the less likely you are to succeed. If you set out with the intention of making a lot of money, you are likely to lose even more. You might even lose your life in the process. If you set out with the intention of raising your child a certain way, the child is unlikely to grow up as you intended, and the result is often the exact opposite. If you intentionally try to stop your thoughts, they often become more complex, fueled by a surge of imagination and mental imagery. Therefore, the goal is for thoughts to cease spontaneously, without conscious effort, and for fear to be eliminated. You must turn this dynamic to your advantage by shifting away from intentional control and allowing the process to unfold naturally. When thoughts cease on their own, your sensory perception awakens. You begin to see and hear clearly, and your ability to focus sharpens. Ultimately, you are the one who solves difficult problems. Only by truly seeing and hearing can you gain the capacity to resolve real-world challenges on your own. Observing and listening to things exactly as they are, perceiving without judgment, prevents the formation of preconceptions. It allows you to view the world with a fresh perspective and overcome real-world difficulties independently. This is precisely what growth is. Growth is the process of overcoming real-world challenges and achieving small successes on your own, without relying on parents or the established order. Only through this growth can one truly live one's own life. There is an old Korean saying, "One might even pay money to undergo hardship." This refers to the act of intentionally seeking out and enduring the difficulties of reality, even at a cost. The process of deliberately experiencing hardship and overcoming it through one's own efforts is closely linked to the way one perceives the world. Preconceived notions, rather than helping, actually hinder this personal growth. Siddhartha conveyed the teachings of Prajnaparamita to impart this fundamental truth of life most wisely, and he had these teachings carved into stone and wood in the hope that they would be faithfully passed on to future generations. Greater growth occurs when you seek to understand yourself than when you compete.